Hi there, students. Erratic. Erratic, an adjective. Erratically, the adverb. Okay, erratic means unpredictable, irregular, changeable. So here where I live, the weather can be very erratic. You can have sunshine, wind, rain, all in the same day. Okay, so it's quite erratic. The man was clearly drunk and his walk was very erratic. He walked one way, he walked the other way. Okay, and this is the idea of erratically. Is something that's not just in a direct line. You can't say A, B, straight line. No, erratic, it goes in its own way. It's really rather random. So a random thing. The electricity supply in some third world countries is rather erratic, and it's probably best to have your own generator. The performance of the athlete is a bit erratic. It's not his performance is not always regular. So something that's erratic, it doesn't follow a regular pattern. It does unexpected things. It moves in an irregular way. So it's something that doesn't happen just regularly, 1, 2. It's suddenly a lot of something, then a lot of something else, but it's not constant in any way. So he studies erratically from time to time. An irregular performance, irregular behaviour. His attitude is very erratic. Sometimes he's very keen. He's inconsistent. He's unpredictable. Yeah, his mind wanders. His mind is erratic. Sometimes it's concentrating on what he should be doing, and then suddenly his mind is somewhere else. So erratic, no fixed course, rather random, wandering. Yeah, characterized by lack of consistency. It's not very standard. It deviates from what is considered normal or standard. Yeah, his behavior can be very erratic. He can be very friendly and very personable some days, and then other days he's very, very unfriendly, and that's it is why I would call him erratic. He behaves erratically. So not even or regular, unpredictable in movement, inconsistent, changeable, variable. He's always changing from one thing to another. Moving or behaving, so moving or behaving, very different things, in an irregular way, not as expected. The car went erratically down the road. I think the driver was probably drunk. Okay, so erratic, changing suddenly, changeable, something that changes unexpectedly. It's not certainly regular. It's not organized in its movement or its behavior. Having no fixed regular course, deviating from what is customary, lacking consistency, regularity. So the food that he makes when he cooks, it's very erratic. Sometimes it's absolutely delicious, and other times it's absolutely disgusting. So that's why I would say that his cooking is erratic. It's sometimes brilliant and sometimes awful. It's variable. It's irregular. Yeah. It's inconsistent. There's no consistency to it. Okay, so that's the idea of erratic. It's rather random, prone to unexpected changes. So let's see, formality, erratic. I think I'm going to give this a 5.5 in formality. I think use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, erraticus. Yeah, we've got Old French, erratique. Yeah, from erro, in Latin. Erro, to make to wander, to stray, to go here, to roam, to get lost, to go astray. So it doesn't really know where it's going. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Erratic. Erratically.